Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we have 9 plus 5 parenthesis 2 plus 2. We first of all solve our parenthesis, which is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. Then we bring down 9 plus 5 times 4. 9 plus 5 will give us 14. Then we have 14 times 4 will give us 56. Now what if I say 56 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS we have the parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, moving from our left to our right. Remember, multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction. They also have equal priorities. That is when we work from our left to our right in order to have a very good answer. So in this expression, we have parentheses and multiplication, including addition. So let's solve the right answer to this question. So first of all, we have our parenthesis, which is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. Then we'll bring down our 9 plus 5 times 4. Remember, in mathematics, if a number is close to a parenthesis, note that there is a multiplication sign in between. So we first of all solve our multiplication because it comes first before addition. So 5 times 4 will give us 20. Then we'll bring down 9 plus 20. 9 plus 20 will give us 29. So 29 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.